My dear students, this is the our exercise 8.4. Question 1. Express as a rupee using decimal. What we have to do? We have to write as a rupee using decimal. So see, first one is what given, student? 5 paise. Okay, so 5 paise is given. We have to convert into rupee. It means small amount is given. We have to move to big one. Okay, so small to big, what we have to do? Yes, division. Other method, this one is the first method to identify. Okay, other method is 5 paise is equal to how many rupee? We have to find this. So here you have to write 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. We know this thing. Now we have to find regarding the 5 paise. 5 paise is equal to how many rupee? We don't know. Put the question mark, cross multiplication. 5 ones are 5 and this remaining is our denominator. This one is a golden key. Okay, we can unlock every answers from this key. Almost answer we can open beta. Okay, so here 5 ones are 5 upon 100. Now a question is there, we have to write as a decimal. So as a decimal, how many denominators? 0, 2, 0. We have to put our decimal point after 2 digit. It means 5 over here 0 and then put the decimal point and then 0. It means 0.05 rupee. Understood? Next one, student. B and C, please try by yourself. I will teach you D1. D is 50 rupees and 90 paise. Okay, so 50 rupees and 90 paise, students, we have to write as a decimal. So here 50 rupee and 90 paise, it means 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, so 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 50 rupee is equal to how much? Don't know. Cross multiplication. 50 multiplied by 100 divide by 1. So 50 and then double 0. 5000 paise. Okay. But in our question it is given 50 rupee and 90 paise. So 50 rupee and 90 paise is equal to total paise how many? So 5000 paise plus 90 paise. Okay, it means 5090 paise. Clear, student? Okay, now we have to convert into rupee. So we know 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Here we have to convert 5090 paise is equal to how much rupee? Question mark. Cross multiplication. 5090 multiply by 1 divide by 100. 0, 0 cancel. 509 divide by 10. In denominator we have the 1 0, so we have to put the decimal point after 1 digit 9 and then decimal point 50. This much rupee. Okay, so 50.9 rupee. Clear, student? Either 50.90 you can write. Clear? Very easy. What you did, first here rupee is given, so we converted rupee into paise. So is a 5000 paise. Here in our question 50 rupee and 90 paise, it means 5000 plus 90, 5090 paise. Okay, clear this? Okay. After finding the total paise, we have to convert into rupee. So 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. This much paise is equal to what? Okay. Clear, students? Now even 725 paise. We know small amount is given. We have to convert into big. So divided by what? 100. Why? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. But if you are not identified like this way, again do 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So 725 paise is equal to how much? Cross multiplication. 725 paise multiply by 1 rupee, divide by 100 paise. Okay, paise cancel. 725 rupee divide by 100. In denominator 20, we have to put the decimal point after 2 digit. So 5, 2, here decimal point and 7. 7.25 rupee. Okay, clear student? So this way you have to find the answer. Okay, now please students B and C try by yourself. Now second is express as meter using decimal. What we have to do students? We have to express as meter. What is given student? So check. First one is a centimeter given. What is given student? Centimeter. A is 15 centimeter. Okay, now we have to convert into meter. Very easy students. So here 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100. It means 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 15 centimeter is equal to how many meter? Don't know. Cross multiplication. 15 multiply by 1 divide by 100. 15 ones are 15 divide by 100. Where we have to put the decimal point? Yes, after 2 digit. 5 and 1. Here point and here 0. Don't forget to write over here meter. Okay. So this is 0.15 meter. Clear student? Okay. Now B1. Very easy student. B1 is a 6 centimeter. Same like this way you have to do. Now C. 2 meter and 45 centimeter. 2 meter and 45 centimeter. First convert into centimeter. See students, if you are able to direct identify, it is a 2.45 meter. But if you are not able to identify, then first convert meter into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to how much? 2 multiply by 100 divide by 1. It means 200 centimeter. Here in our question 2 meter and 45 centimeter. It means 200 centimeter plus 45, 245 centimeter. Clear? Now total centimeter is 245. Now we know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 245 centimeter. How many? Question mark. Cross multiplication. 245 centimeter divided by 100 centimeter. Okay, and then 1 meter here. Understood? Now 245 meter divided by 100. Clear? 20. So 5, 4 point and 2. 245 meter. Don't forget to write over here meter. Clear students? Okay, this is little lengthy method, but it is useful to you. If you forgot, here we have to do the division, we have to do multiply. What to do? Then you can use this method. Otherwise, direct, if you are able to identify, then you can do directly. I didn't have any problem. Now, student D and E, please try by yourself. Very easy. Okay. Now question number 3. Express as a centimeter using decimal. What we have to do? We have to express as a centimeter using decimal. So answer is, we have to write as a decimal. First one is 5 millimeter. Okay. Now we have to convert into centimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? Either 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? So we know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. It means 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Why students we are writing 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter? Why I am not writing 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter? Because in our question it is millimeter given. So first we are writing millimeter. Okay, so 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 5 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? We don't know. Put question mark. 5 millimeter multiply by 1 centimeter, divide by 10 millimeter. It means 5 ones are 5 upon 10. Millimeter cancel, centimeter. Okay. Where we have to put the point? After one digit. So 5 and then keep here. So 0.5 centimeter. Clear, student? Now B and C, try by yourself, very easy. Now we are doing D. 9 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Okay, if you are able to identify, then it is direct 9.8 centimeter, student. But if you are not able to do, then what you have to do? See, another method. This one you know very well. Okay, now another method. 9 centimeter, it means 9 full centimeter, students, we have. Okay, 9 full. And then how many? 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter, it means we can do like this way also. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 8 millimeter is equal to dash. 8 ones are 8, divide by 10. So 8 upon 10. After one digit, so 8 and then put 0.8 centimeter. Okay. So here 9 plus 0.8 centimeter. It means 9.8 centimeter. Okay, this is the another method. One I taught you like this way. First whole converted into centimeter or meter, whatever, and then you have to find the answer. One another method is there. 9 centimeter, right, as it is 9, and plus convert 8 millimeter into centimeter. So we know 8 millimeter, it means 0.8 centimeter. So this one is 9.8 centimeter. If you want to follow this method, then it's okay, students. If you want to follow this method, then again it's okay. Clear? Okay. This one is a short and easy, students. Okay. This one is also easy also, but little bit lengthier than this. Clear? Now, please students, B, C and E try by yourself. Very easy. Now question number 4. What is our question number 4, student? Express as kilometer using decimal. What we have to do? We have to express as a kilometer. First one is a 8 meter. Convert into kilometer. So we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Yes. So here 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. We have to convert 8 meter. So 8 meter is equal to how many kilometer? Question mark. Cross multiplication. 8 meter multiply by 1 kilometer divide by 1000 meter. Meter cancel. 8 ones are 8 kilometer divided by 1000. Now we have to write as a decimal. What to do? 30. So we have only one digit, 8. Then take the help of 2 0. 1, 2 and 3 digit. Then put our decimal point and 0. So this is 0.008 kilometer. Clear, student? Okay. If you want to find like this way, meter is given, we have to convert into kilometer, small to big. So divided by what the square? 1000. So divided by 1000. Directly you can divide with the 1000. No need to putting this cross multiplication. But if you are identify, then okay. So students, one sum we can solve by 1 or 2 method, more than 2 method. Okay, you can follow any method, but I want proper steps. Now 8,888. This is easy. Divided by 1000, divide by 1000. Now D1. 70 kilometer and 5 meter. 70 kilometer and 5 meter. So see, students, we have to convert into kilometer. 70 already we have 70 kilometer plus 5 meter, just we are converting into kilometer. So here we know 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 5 meter is equal to how many? question mark. Cross multiplication, 5 meter multiply by 1 kilometer divide by 1000 meter. Okay, so meter cancel, 5 ones are 5 upon 1000 kilometer, 30. So 5, take the help of 20, then decimal point, 0.005 kilometer. Okay, now we have to add 70 kilometer plus 0.005 kilometer. It means 70 is a whole number plus 005 kilometer. Clear student? How to add 70 as a whole number? 70, how many meter? 00 meter. Here 0 decimal point under decimal point and 005. So 70.005. Understood students? So this way you have to write in your notebook. Understood students? First kilometer, keep it as it is and only convert 5 meter into kilometer and then write your answer. Otherwise you have to convert whole kilometers into meter. It is little lengthy, but you can do like this way also. Which one is easy for you? You have to follow this method. Now question number 5. Express as kilogram using decimal. Now we have to express as a kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to how many gram? Very good. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. So here 2 gram is given. So we are writing first gram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. We have to find regarding the 2 gram. Then put the question mark. Okay. Cross multiplication. 2 gram multiply by 1 kilogram divide by 1000. Gram cancel. 2 kilogram divide by 1000. Very easy student. Now we have to put the decimal point after 3 digits, but here we have only 1. So 2, then take the help of 20, decimal point and 0. So 0.002 kilogram. Clear? Now B and C please try by yourself. Now D1. 5 kilogram and 8 gram. D 5 kilogram and 8 gram. So 5 kilogram as it is because we have to convert into gram, plus 8 gram we have to convert it into kilogram. So we know 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 8 gram is equal to how much? Cross multiplication. 8 gram multiplied by 1 kilogram divided by 1000 gram. Gram cancel. 8 ones are 8 kilogram upon 1000 gram. So this is after 3 digit we have to put a decimal point. So 8, take the help of 20 and then decimal point and 0. 0.008 gram. Sorry, kilogram. Okay. Now we have to find the total. So 5 kg plus 0.008 kilogram. It means 5.008 kilogram. How to add? Now you know very well 5 kg. It means 5 kg full, 00 gram. And here 0.008 kg. It means 0.008. Decimal point must be under decimal point. Okay. So 800 decimal point and 5. This much kg. Clear student? So same way you have to try this one B, C and E by yourself. Very easy students. Okay. And you have to clear your idea regarding this. Okay. Direct if you want to identify divided by 1000, divided by 100, divided by 10, then it's okay. Otherwise I am giving you over here cross multiplication method. Thank you.